Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today we're going to try to make a cookie in a mug.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
I'm going to use my phone for the directions. We need 2 tablespoons of our butter. Now we're taking our butter and we're going to put it in our cup and we're going to melt it. So you don't want it to make it too hot, so you want it for 15 seconds. I had to put it in for another 15 seconds and now it got melted. Okay, now we're going to take our egg and we're going to get the yolk. Okay, now we got our yolk from our egg, and now we're going to pour the yolk in our cup with our butter. Then you want 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Stir it together. Now we're going to do 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We're going to take brown sugar and then we're going to stir it in our cup. This is what my cup looks like. Now we just need 1/4 cup of flour. Okay, we're going to just do it a little bit at a time and we're going to stir. We need 2 big tablespoons of these chocolate chips. Here's my cookie mix. Now it needs to go in the microwave for 1 minute. I hope it turns out good. Here's my cookie. I put it for 1.5 minutes. I'm going to let it cool and I'm going to take a bite. My cookie has cooled, so I want to give it a taste. It tastes like a real cookie. And it tastes really good. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.